Hello students, in the previous period we learned nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now today we will discuss method of preparation of alcohols. So very first method is by hydrolysis of alkyl halides. This reaction we have already studied in haloalkanes. So in this reaction, alkyl halide when boiled with aqueous KOH, potash, it undergoes hydrolysis, gives corresponding alcohol. For example, RH plus KOH gives ROH plus KX. Same hydrolysis can be done using moist silver oxide Ag2O/H2O. So for example, CS3Cl methyl chloride plus AgOH gives methyl alcohol plus AgCl. You can replace this R by any other alkyl group, say CH3Br plus KOH, aqueous medium, boil it, it gives CH3OH plus KBr. So this is the first method of preparation by hydrolysis of alkyl halide. What do you mean by hydrolysis? Either warm, boil or heat in presence of water, that is called as हाइड्रोलिसिस. इसमें क्या करेंगे? वार्म करेंगे, हीट करेंगे या बॉईल करेंगे, वो प्रोसेस को बोलेंगे हाइड्रोलिसिस. देन सेकंड रिएक्शन by hydration of alkenes using concentrated H2SO4. Now what do you mean by hydration? You have heard dehydration. सबने सुना है, जनरली गर्मी में सब सुनते हैं dehydration. So D means removal and hydration means H2O molecule. So dehydration, removal of water molecule. अभी ये D हटा देते हैं. Hydration, addition of water molecule in alkenes. But this alkene cannot add water molecule directly. So in presence of concentrated H2SO4, this gaseous alkene reacts with concentrated H2SO4. Addition takes place across a double bond. Double bond is converted into single bond. It gives alkyl hydrogen sulfate, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This compound is ethene. So this is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This compound on hydrolysis gives ethanol, CH3CH2OH plus H2SO4 back. But in case of unsymmetrical alkene, say for example propene, this compound is unsymmetrical. You cannot divide this compound into two equal halves. ये compound को हम दो पार्ट में, सरी के पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. That is, it is unsymmetrical. So in case of unsymmetrical alkene, addition of H2SO4 takes place according to Markovnikov's rule plus H2SO4 concentrated. This addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. What is this rule? The rule states that when unsymmetrical reagent like HBr, H2SO4, HCl, etc. Unsymmetrical reagent means this is hydrogen, this is bromine, this is electronegative, this one is positive. So therefore these lone pairs are attracted towards this bromine. That's why it acquires partial negative charge and partial positive charge is developed on hydrogen. So this is called as unsymmetrical reagent like H2SO4. H2SO4 can be written as like this, HSO4 or HOSO3H. So this is negative part, this is positive part. So Markovnikov's rule: when unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, then the negative part of the added reagent adds to that carbon atom which is attached to less number of hydrogen atoms. When unsymmetrical reagent added to unsymmetrical alkene, say propene, then the negative part of the added reagent adds to that carbon atom which is attached to less number of hydrogen atoms. So this is Markovnikov's addition. So it will give CS3 CH HSO4 and this is CS3. This compound on hydrolysis, ये H2SO4 निकल जाएगा, it gives CS3 CHOH CH3 propane 2OL 2 propanol. So the compound is not 1 propanol, it is 2 propanol, propane 2OL. So this is hydration of alkenes using concentrated H2SO4. Hydration means addition of water molecule. Third, by hydroboration, that is oxidation of alkenes. In this reaction, alkene reacts with diborane in presence of tetrahydrofuran. Addition takes place across double bond. It gives trialkyl borane. This is 3 molecules of alkyl group. Therefore it is called as trialkyl borane. So suppose this is 6 times. So you will write here twice. So this is addition takes place across double bond is converted into single bond. We will get trialkyl borane. Same compound can be written as like this: CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 and this is boron. So this is trialkyl borane. This compound on in presence of peroxide, say H2O2, alkaline peroxide, gives corresponding primary alcohol. So the alcohol is CH3 CH2 CH2 OH 3 times. So this is primary alcohol, this one is secondary alcohol. So here product is propan1OL, here the product is propan2OL. So why? This is because of presence of peroxide, hence it is also called as peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov's addition. So in this reaction, addition of this borane which takes place on primary carbon. So the product is like this trialkyl borane, and which when treated with alkaline peroxide it gives primary alcohol. So this is anti-Markovnikov's addition or hydration of alkenes, you can say. Then the next reaction is reduction of aldehydes and ketones. You can use reducing agent like LiAlH4 H plus or H3O plus, trininickel, sodium amalgam and water. For example, aldehyde CH3CHO, acetaldehyde in presence of LiAlH4 H plus. Simple reduction takes place, addition of hydrogen, so it gives CH3CH2OH. This is aldehyde, acetaldehyde gives ethyl alcohol. For example, you can take ketone, CH3 C double bond O CH3 in presence of ranitidine nickel H2Ni oblique Ni nickel. So addition of hydrogen takes place. You will get CH3 C CH3 CHOH. CHOH. So this is CH3 CHOH CH3. So the product is secondary alcohol, and in case of aldehyde the product is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means functional group attached to primary carbon, means terminal carbon atom, and here functional group attached to secondary carbon. So aldehydes on reduction gives primary alcohols, whereas ketones on reduction give secondary alcohols. Similarly, we can prepare. So one thing is here that the advantage of LiAlH4 over H2Ni. For example, when we will take unsaturated compound like CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CHO, unsaturated aldehyde, in presence of LiAlH4 and in presence of ranitidine nickel. Now, in the first case, in presence of ranitidine nickel, the product is like this: CH3 CH2 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 CH2OH. We get saturated alcohol, primary alcohol, which one is saturated, but in second case you will get CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2OH, unsaturated alcohol. So this is the advantage of LiAlH4 over H2Ni. By taking LiAlH4, you can prepare unsaturated alcohol. Then the next method of preparation is from Grignard reagents. You know Grignard reagent. There may be question in exam. What is Grignard reagent? So the answer is organometallic compound, or you may say RMgX. The compound RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, called as Grignard reagent. Using this reagent, number of organic compounds can be synthesized. So the sixth, you may say sixth reaction from Grignard reagent, RMgX. So when aldehydes or ketones treated with Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether, addition takes place, simple addition takes place. The compound on hydrolysis gives corresponding alcohol. In this case, formaldehyde will give primary alcohol, other aldehyde will give secondary alcohol, whereas ketone will give tertiary alcohol. For example, this is formaldehyde HCH double bond O plus Grignard reagent RMgX in presence of dry ether. Medium is dry ether. Simple addition takes place across double bond. You will get HCH double bond is converted into single bond OMgX, and here it is this R. So R will go here and here OMgX. Then the compound on hydrolysis, when warmed with water, it gives alcohol RCH2R. This is CH2, this is O, and this is H. RCH2OH, primary alcohol. If R is replaced by say CS3, X is replaced by Br. So here R is CS3 and X is Br. So this is CH3CH2OH ethanol plus MgBrOH. So this is primary alcohol. Now if you take other aldehyde, say acetaldehyde, CH3COH, CH3CHO plus CH3MgI in presence of dry ether. Addition takes place across again double bond. So what will be the product? Write down the product. Just simple addition. So the product is CH3 CH, this is ONGI, and this CH3 will move here. So it is like this, CH3. Compound on hydrolysis, on treatment with water, it gives secondary alcohol CH3 CH3CHOH. Product is CH3 CH3H and this is OH. CH3 CH3HOH. So this carbon is secondary, so this alcohol is secondary alcohol because the functional group is attached to middle carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Second carbon, that carbon is attached to two other carbon atoms, therefore that carbon is the secondary and that alcohol is secondary alcohol. What is the name of compound? You can write easily the name of compound. 1, 2, 3 carbon atom it contains and the functional group is on carbon number 2. So try to write the name. We have already discussed that compound in nomenclature. Then third is from ketones. So ketones gives tertiary alcohol. Say acetone CH3C double bond O CH3 dimethyl ketone treated with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr in presence of dry ether. Medium is dry ether. Addition takes place across double bond. You will get CH3 CH3 OMgBr. The compound on hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohol CH3C CH3 and this is OH like this. CH3C CH3OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is about methods of preparation of alcohols. Okay.